Today, I'll walk you through how to download your Google Maps location history, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access and download your location data so you can keep track of your travels and experiences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services, so go ahead and type in www.google.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner, often referred to as the apps icon. Click on it. This will reveal a menu of various Google services you can access. Next, from this menu, click on Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps, where you can view your location history and much more, just like opening a treasure chest full of your past adventures. Now in the top left corner of the Google Maps interface, you'll see a hamburger menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon. It will open up a sidebar with additional options. From the sidebar, select your data in Maps. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your location data and settings. Think of it as your personal dashboard for managing your Google Maps experience. Now look for the option that says Download your Maps data. Click on this link. It will guide you to the next step in retrieving your location history. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google updates its interface regularly, but the steps remain similar. After clicking that link, you'll be directed to a new page where you can customize your data export. Click on Next Step. To proceed, this is where you can specify what data you want to download. Finally, click on Create Export. This will initiate the process of compiling your location history into a downloadable format. Depending on the amount of data, this may take some time, so be patient. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to download your Google Maps location history. This data can be invaluable for reminiscing about your travels or for planning future adventures. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.